I would spend a lot of time at Grandma's. Dad would drop me off before a shift, and she would be gardening, making tea, doing a word search. I'd sit on her comfy sofa, probably on my Game Boy, which then later evolved to my phone, and sometimes my computer too. I could feel her eyes on me. She'd say, "Why don't you come out for some air? Or some sun? It's a beautiful day out there." And I'd always find an excuse to stay curled up in my usual spot until one day, I don't know how, but she managed to get me outside. It was so beautiful. I wanted to live every day like that, but it kept getting in the way.
I started at 6 and I'm so...
It's like just weird, isn't it?
Yeah, leave it.
And I lost control of it all. And then before I knew it, Grandma was gone. It's a beautiful day out there. I wanted to live every day like that. She was gone, yet she hadn't left me. I used everything she taught me to help get myself back on track. It started with going for walks, looking up and not down, and making sure that I made time to take in the beauty that nature had to offer. On the days I felt particularly rough, the outdoors became my best friend. My mind was clouded to begin with, but my time spent amongst the trees and the quiet hum of the bees became a haven for me to be at peace.